Welcome back to Baking Dankums, rainy day edition, I guess. Today I'll be making cheesecake bites. Take forever, bomb though. Let's get it.
Baking cake.
I did say rainy day edition, right? Alright, start out by lining these two cupcake sheets with the cupcake liners. So yeah. And we're gonna work on the crust for it, very similarly to how I did the crust for the what was it? Alright. Smash up some graham crackers. This, and then I'm gonna do this actually. Gonna put the crust at the bottom of these little cupcake doohickeys. The good thing about this is that two things. You don't have to double bake the crust that bakes with the cheesecake, and if you have a lot of cheesecake left over, you can always just make more crust. It doesn't take long to make, you know. Alright, let's set these off to the side. Preheated the oven to 325. Like the cream cheese, shit's fire. Spoon the cheesecake filling over the crust. Just for the sake of reference, this is what they look like when you smash them down. Alright, I'm just gonna leave those three blank, it's fine. Probably have a note for 25 minutes? Yeah, 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, say what's up to the dogs. Hey, Mama. Roxy. third appearance. Heart up. Heart mama. Heart. Good girls. Alright, these are pretty done. You can kind of tell. They set themselves. A little bit of a rebound when you touch them. Doesn't sink in. So, now it's the fun part. I just wait. They cool. Put them in the fridge for 2 hours. And then you'll see. Relax all the walking. Alright. They're still cooling in there. They're pretty much done, but I'm gonna do this next. This is just the topping for it. It's just heavy whipping cream. Obviously, I like to keep these in my kitchen, but it got a little loud because of family, but that's how you make cheesecake bites. The whole process was probably 6 hours. 6? Yeah, it was a while. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Say bye, heart. Okay.